Hi, little kids. Let's enjoy a beautiful story with Boo Boo.
Friendship of Cat and Mouse. In a small house, there was a cat named Whisker who loved to chase mice. One day, he saw a little mouse named Pip and started to chase him around the house. Pip was quick and clever, always finding places to hide. But after a while, Pip realized that Whisker wasn't trying to catch him to hurt him. He was just having fun. Pip stopped running and asked Whiskers why he was chasing him. Whiskers said he enjoyed the excitement of the chase. Pip suggested they play a game that both of them could enjoy without anyone getting scared. From then on, they became good friends, playing together in ways that made them both happy. The moral is that it's better to play in a way that makes everyone feel safe and happy.
So kids, I hope you have enjoyed the story and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.